Right. I have given home yesterday's homework. Some students have still doubt. I am explaining that question. 10th bit, section B, section B, unit 2, week 2. Yeah. What was the question? 10th bit, C question. Question he has given 0.00376. I want to find out square root of this digit. Very easy. Firstly, I want to write here 0.00376. I want to make pair before decimal digit is 0, after decimal digit is 00. Means I want to make pair from the which side? Left side. Then this is one pair, second pair, third pair is not coming. Means I will add 0. This is third pair. This one only was there. Okay. Now I want to find out square root of this digit. Students, you are observing here, after decimal point 20 is there, means 10 I can write in the pair form. And directly I can write here 0.0. Now this 20 completed. Next, now first 20 completed. Next 37 is there. Which squared number I want to take? That value will be less than 37. I want to take 6. I will write 3 places. 6 here, 6 on the top, and 6 down. 6 plus 6, 12, and 6 6 are 36. Okay, 1 0 60. Again, I want to take one time. 1 1, 122, 121, 9 3 0. Now question he has asked, find the square root of 0.00376 up to 3 decimal places. Means after decimal point I got it 3 digit. Means I can write here square root of 0.00376 is equal to 0.061. On the bracket we'll write up to 3 decimal places. This is the right answer. Up to 3 decimal places. Don't forget to mention this, student. Up to 3 decimal places. Right. Find the square root of 437.06. Means I want to find out square root of this digit. 437.06. Now I want to make pair from the before decimal right side, after decimal left side. 37, 4, and 6. And he's asking, find the square root of 437.06 up to 3 decimal places. After decimal, 1 place is already over. Means I want to add 40. This is up to 3 decimal places. This was the concept. After decimal point, he is asking 3 decimal places. Now first places already he has given 0, 6, 1 pair. Means I want to add more 4, 0 means 2 pair will come here. Yes. Now I want to find out square root of this digit. Now first digit is 4. Which squared number I want to take? That value will be less than 4 or equal to 4. Now I am taking 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 I will write how many places? 3 places. 1 here, up and down. 2 plus 2, 4. And 2 2s are 4, 0. Again I am bringing down 3 7. Now listen carefully, students, here. This digit is 3 7 and this digit is 4 0. If I want to write 0, then this is also less than 40. 37 is less than 40. Then what I will write? I will add 0 here, because that 37 is less than 40. 37, if I am taking 0 also, that value is coming less than 40. That's why I have added 0. Now after adding 0, then I can keep decimal point. Again I can bring down here 0 6. Now in this 4, which digit I want to multiply? That value will be less than 37. 9. Okay. 9, 3 places. 8, 1, 4. 418. Again 9 nines are 81. 1, 8. Next 9 4s are 36. Again I want to subtract here. 5. Next 10 minus 8, 2, 0, 0. Again 0 6 completed. Again I want to bring down 0 0. Okay. Now 418 is there. If I want to take 0 also, that will be less than 4180. If I want to add 0 also, that value 2500 will be less than 4180. Means I want to add 0. After adding 0, I can bring down here 00. Again in 4, which number I want to multiply, that number should be less than 25. I want to take 5 times. Means I can write here 4180 5 times. Again 5 plus 5 10, 1, 8, 4 1. Again I want to multiply. 5 5s are 25. 5, 2. Next 5 8s are 40. 4. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 4, 9. And 5 4s are 20. Don't say 0 minus 5 is equal to 0. No. We'll take borrow. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Here 9, 0, 4, 0. Now question is asking, find the square root of 437.06 up to 3 decimal places. Then our answer is 20.905. Are you getting my point, students? I hope, students, you got it how to solve this question. Those who have not completed, note down. Note down, everyone, those who have not completed. We can mention here square root of 437.06 is equal to 20.905. In previous class, I explained about how to find cube. Note down example first. What is the meaning of cube? A number with 3 as an exponent is called a cube. Note down example first. Yeah. First, I want to find out cube of 11. 11 cube is equal to, don't say 11 3 is 33. This is not cube of 11. 11 cube means I want to multiply 11 into 11 into 11. Some students are there, what they will do, they will write here 11 into 3 is equal to 33. This is the 100% wrong. This is the right. Okay. 11 cube is equal to 11 into 11 into 11. We want to multiply 3 times. What is answer? 1331. 121 into 11, 1331. Second example, minus 3 cube. Minus 3 cube means I want to multiply minus 3 how many times? 3 times. Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Now students, here one concept is there. Already I explained, if negative sign is coming even, then answer will become always positive. If negative sign is coming odd, answer will become always negative. Understood? If negative sign is coming odd, answer will be always positive sign. If negative sign is coming odd, then answer will become always negative. Again, listen carefully. If negative sign is coming odd, then answer will become always negative. If negative sign is coming even, then answer will become always positive. And with the help of a calculation also, you can check it here. First, if I want to multiply minus into minus, minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9 into minus 3 is equal to minus 27. Third example, yeah, minus 2 by 5 whole cube. Don't do experiment like that. Minus 2 into 3 or 5 into 3. No. Minus 2 by 5, I want to write how many times? 3 times. Means minus 2 by 5 into minus 2 by 5 into minus 2 by 5. Now already students, you know this is the fraction or rational number. We are doing here multiplication operation. Simply I can multiply numerator into numerator. Minus 2 into 2, minus 2 minus into minus plus 4, plus 4 into minus 2, minus 8. Divided by 5 fives are 25, 25 fives are 125. Minus 8 by 125 is the answer. Fourth example, I am writing students, you will give answer, okay? I want to check how many students are giving right answer. Very famous question. 0.9 cube, 0.3 cube, 0.3 cube. Find out answer everyone. Fifth, 0.4 cube. Start solving everyone. Yes. Fourth question I have written here, 0.3 whole cube means I want to multiply 0.3 how many times? 3 times. 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3. Now 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. But decimal, after decimal point, how many digits are there? There are 3 digits. Then 1, 2, 3. We can keep decimal point here, 0.027. Firstly, I have multiplied 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. After decimal point, there are 3 digits. I want to keep decimal point from the right side, 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits, I want to mention decimal point. Then our answer is 0.027. Next question, 0.4 into 0.4 into 0.4. 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. Again, after decimal point, there are 3 digits. I want to keep decimal point from the right side. After 3 digits, I want to write decimal points. 1, 2, 3 digit is not there. I want to mention 0. 0.064. Fifth question, note down, everyone. Sixth question, note down. Yeah. Note down sixth question, everyone. 1 is equal to 1. I can write 1 cube is equal to 1. Right? This pattern only. First even odd number I have taken. Now second two odd number I want to take. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 8 means what? 2 cube. I have taken first odd number, second, third odd number. Now 7 plus 9 plus 11 is equal to 27 is equal to 3 cube. You are observing very beautiful pattern is coming. 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. You can add here. Answer is coming 64. 4 cube. Next pattern, if they will ask, find out next pattern, then you need to write answer. Now 19 completed. 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. I want to add, I want to check. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 7 16. Yes, 125 is coming, means 5 cube. Like that pattern they can ask in the examination also. If any number they will give, you need to find out what is the next pattern, what is the answer of next pattern. Note down, everyone, this question. Yes. Now students, I am going to explain how to check the given number is perfect cube or not. Keep heading, perfect cube. Keep heading, perfect cube. Perfect cube. Keep adding everyone. Perfect cube.